औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to generate the multiple of 8 means 8 times table. Okay, you need to teach your kid like that. It's very easy. I have created my PowerPoint presentation, you can see over here. Okay, so let's take a start. These are called animations. Okay, now starting from the first row here, we need to start with 0, then keep moving forward 1 2 3, and then here is a trick. After 4 you need to stop, and then you need to do what? You need to repeat 4 again, 4 5 6 7 and 8. Till here any confusion bachcho? No? Okay, let's move forward. Now we need to start from the bottom side here. We need to type word 0, write 0, and then 2 4 6 and then 8. Done. Now here we need to stop again, because can you see here 4s are repeating over here. Now again we need to start from here 0 2 4 6 and 8. That's it. You can easily generate 8 times table with this simple trick. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.